All right, bro, here we are, DC
Hey, what's going on?
skydiving.
It's your boy Ned, aka Mr. Weatherman. Partly cloudy today. It's got me and my boy Randy. We got Papa John Velasco over here. I don't know what's going on. Shit's crazy. I just saw 2 people go up, 1 come back. I don't know what's happening. Somebody said something about jumping. I don't know. Hey, Barack Obama, Carlos Miller, this one's for you. All right.
All right, we'll see you up there, bro. Woo! Bro, how was that?
Oh my god.
So rad, right?
Sheesh.
All right, amazing job, buddy. We got a working parachute.
Hey, all on you, Randy.
Thing ready to fly and see you guys in a moment.
You mean we ain't flying yet?
Great job, bro.
Oh man.
We are flying the parachute. What'd you think, man?
Oh, we're flying now.
You ready to try some of the fun stuff?
For sure.
Let's pull it down on the right, dude.
Pull it down.
Here we go.
Whoa.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Oh man.
Perfect job, man. Anybody you want to call out? Tell them to come skydive with you next time?
Hey, Barack Obama, the offer's open. Randy's ready.
I would love to take you, Barack. You name the place, time. We could take Air Force One, dude.
Oh, that's right.
That'd be sweet, man.
Get some altitude.
You, me, and Joe, bro.
And Joe.
I don't know if Joe's healthy enough to go.
I don't think he's ready for it.
But he can watch, dude. Oh man, we're gonna get ready to put this thing down. Anything else you want to say before we land?
Hey, whoever said everything small up here is wrong. Man, the world's so big. Look at all this.
It's huge, bro. Beautiful day to jump. Amazing job, man. We'll see you guys down on the ground. Woo! Back down on the ground, bro. What'd you think?
I wouldn't call it a crash landing.
Did you love it? What was your favorite part?
For sure. I think the down part is my favorite. The down part was pretty good.
Flying the parachute or in free fall?
I don't even know.
All of it, bro.
All great.
I'm stoked you loved it, man.
Randy.
Amazing job, buddy.
My man.
Woo!